When reliability and versatility are key for carrying gear securely, a tactical retainer belt is essential. The Raptor Tactical Retainer Belt is designed to provide solid retention for your equipment, even in high movement situations like jumping. Constructed with an inner and outer belt system, it features a built-in retention system that allows you to carry multiple items in different ways and combinations without the need for additional holsters or pouches. It ensures complete coverage, like with a Glock 19 trigger, for added security. Veteran-owned and operated, this belt is battle-tested and warrior-approved, offering high-quality gear at an affordable price. The Raptor Tactical Retainer Belt is built for tough conditions, making it the perfect choice for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts.
For those who need a tactical knife that combines durability, functionality, and reliability, a high-quality blade with strong piercing power is a must. Introducing the Cold Steel Leatherneck Tanto knife, a versatile and rugged tactical tool designed for performance and durability. This knife excels in piercing and thrusting tasks, making it ideal for both military and survival use. Crafted from German D2 tool steel, the 7-inch blade offers exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity and reliability in harsh conditions. The deeply checkered Cray-X handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, even in challenging environments. Its unique design includes a thick, machined steel butt cap, enabling the knife to double as a hammer in emergencies. For safe and convenient storage, the knife comes with a Secure X sheath, offering versatile carrying options and quick access, whether on your belt or in your gear. Perfect for tactical, military, and outdoor enthusiasts alike.
In a world where daily essentials require both style and functionality, having a versatile, durable bag is indispensable. Introducing the Zweets Toxic Chemical-Free Leather Bag, a thoughtfully designed, multifunctional accessory tailored for your evolving needs. This elegant bag easily transforms into a messenger, briefcase, or backpack, adapting seamlessly to any occasion. Crafted with hazardous chemical-free leather through eco-conscious processes, it ensures safety and sustainability. Its waterproof construction offers protection for your belongings in all conditions, while easy access compartments keep essentials within reach. Modern manufacturing techniques preserve the charisma of old-world craftsmanship, delivering timeless appeal and enduring quality. Whether commuting, traveling, or heading to a meeting, this bag combines style, convenience, and ethical production, making it an ideal companion for professionals and adventurers alike. When outdoor performance and durability are key, versatile tactical pants are a must. The Helicontex HOP Hybrid Outback Tactical Pants offer exceptional durability and freedom of movement. Their hybrid construction combining DuraCanvas and VersaStretch materials. This design ensures both rugged durability and flexibility, ideal for tough conditions. The anatomical cut provides a comfortable fit, while hook and loop adjustments at the hems allow for a custom, secure fit. These pants feature low-profile protective pad inserts and reinforced hip pockets for added functionality. Larger zipper cargo pockets and front hook and loop closed pockets provide ample storage, and the wax impregnation ensures water resistance. Perfect for outdoors, hiking, law enforcement, and work, these pants are built to perform in any climate.
In outdoor adventures or daily tasks, having a reliable multi-tool can save time and effort, offering a compact solution for a variety of needs. The Weetall's Needle Nose Plier Multi-Tool is a versatile 21-in-1 tool designed to meet various needs, from everyday repairs to outdoor survival. This multi-tool includes spring-loaded needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, a sharp knife, screwdrivers, a metal wood file, a ruler, a bottle opener, and much more, making it a perfect all-in-one tool for any situation. With its sturdy stainless steel construction and ergonomic design, this multi-tool is built to last, with resistance to corrosion and wear. Its compact size of 4.13 inches closed and 5.91 inch open ensures easy portability, fitting comfortably in your pocket or backpack. The self-locking design adds an extra layer of safety during use, while the included sheath makes it easy to carry on the go. Whether for DIY projects, camping, hiking, or emergencies, this multi-tool is a reliable companion for every adventurer and DIY enthusiast.